At Implant Dentistry of Virginia, we treat people, not just teeth. At Implant Dentistry of Virginia, we treat people, not just teeth.
I went to several other dentists, and when I came to Dr. Hogan's office, everybody made me feel at ease. I felt like I was among friends, and it just was a great atmosphere. Everybody was very nice, and I was at ease, and didn't know what to really expect, but everybody put me at ease, and made the whole experience very nice. Yeah, the staff treated me very friendly and made me feel at ease and at home, and I felt like I'd known the staff, for my whole life, really. Just everybody was very friendly and accommodating, and it was a great experience. The staff at Implant Dentistry of Virginia treats me very friendly, and I felt like I'd known everybody for a long time, and I was at ease, and it was a great experience. Yeah, Dr. Hogan kept me very informed throughout the process, told me what my options were and what was going to be happening during the procedure and each procedure to come, and just made me feel really at ease and confident in the whole process. Yeah, Dr. Hogan sat with me and told me the options my choices that I had, and what he recommended for me, and we discussed what I wanted and what I was looking for, and okay, yeah, Dr. Hogan took the extra time to sit with me and explain all my options, what the process would involve, how long it would take, and it made me feel a lot better about the whole thing. The atmosphere in Implant Dentistry of Virginia is very nice and friendly, and everybody is just great. I would recommend Dr. Hogan after traveling around visiting different dentists. He put me at ease, and I felt really confident in him and in his office and practice and his whole staff. The whole process was just better and smoother and accommodating, and really just easier than what I had anticipated. Yeah, the staff at Implant Dentistry of Virginia treated me great, like family, like I'd known them all my life. I felt like they were my sisters, and it was just a great experience. Felt really at ease. I'd recommend Dr. Hogan to everybody because it's just a great experience. His office is relaxed and easygoing, and after visiting several other dentists in the area, I just felt at home with Dr. Hogan. I would recommend Dr. Hogan to everybody.
I feel perfectly at ease when I come to the office here. I think Dr. Hogan and his entire staff are so good-natured and welcoming that it's like coming to family for Thanksgiving dinner, really. When I come to Dr. Hogan's office here, I have no inhibitions whatsoever when I walk in that door. I don't feel nervous, I don't feel bad, I don't feel like there's going to be pain involved at all. And that feeling of comfort and welcomeness is throughout the entire office. The staff is welcoming. It's a family atmosphere. It really is. When I come in here, it's like visiting a relative. There's joking. It's light-natured. But they're very to the point when it comes to business, but doing it in a very friendly and family way. When I sit in the chair and Dr. Hogan is doing his procedures on me, he keeps me very well informed of what he's doing. He always makes it a special point to explain it in his terms, and then he will ask me, do I understand, in case the terminology that he's using happens to be a little more advanced than the normal layman may be able to understand. So he's very good at making sure that what he's doing and the questions he's asking are well understood by myself, and I absolutely do feel that he does a great job, and I'm very pleased with how he handles myself and actually when I see him with any other patients. Dr. Hogan does a very good job of explaining the procedures to me. He makes sure I understand 100% what he's doing and what the results are expected to be. Yeah, Dr. Hogan made it a point to make sure that I was well aware of the questions that I had and the procedures that would be required to do what I wanted him to do. He was very considerate and very caring and a very listening doctor. He wanted to hear what I wanted to have done, not what he thought I needed to be done. Dr. Hogan was very clear in making sure that I knew what was going to be done, and he was very, took the time to explain to me that what he was going to do was what I wanted to have done. The atmosphere in Dr. Hogan's office is wonderful. These guys are so good-natured and friendly, and it's bubbly. They joke around all the time. They do their work, and they're very, very professional. Yet it's great to come in here and feel like you're part of the family and part of the group. Yes, I absolutely would recommend Dr. Hogan. My procedure started about a year ago, and at that time I was very self-conscious about my smile, or what I thought should be a smile, and it really wasn't. I was embarrassed by it, to tell you the truth. And when selecting a person to work on your mouth is a very personal thing. It's not something I take lightly, nor should anybody else, I think. But I did my homework and went online and did the research, and I came in and met with Dr. Hogan, and immediately I felt at ease and at home with his professionalism and then with his thoroughness, his background. And I highly recommend the results, what he did. I have no complaints whatsoever.
Okay, good.
The fact that he offers implant dentistry as well as general dentistry, it makes things very, very convenient. In the past, I have actually had a little bit of a situation having gone to separate dentists for different procedures. It wasn't a pleasant thing, let's just say. And for the fact that I am able to see one person to do both procedures makes it very easy and transparent when you're looking for information, or one doctor needs history for a procedure. It's there automatically, and he knows what to do and knows what's been done. I am very, very impressed with the professionalism that I experienced at Dr. Hogan's office, as well as the good-natured camaraderie between he and his staff and the patients as well. I feel wonderful coming in here. I feel great. I think it's a very, very friendly environment that it's just no inhibitions whatsoever. It's not every, going to the dentist is not always a wonderful thing. Coming to this dentist is very good.
The staff at Implant Dentistry always makes me feel welcome and at ease. Dr. Hogan went through every step of the procedure from beginning to end. He gave me options. He explained each procedure in depth. I felt very knowledgeable. I researched this very closely before I came, and he continued to educate me throughout the process. I was very well informed. Dr. Hogan helped me to select the best options for me. I have had improperly fitting dentures in the past, and he made sure that I knew what the options were, which were the best options, the most affordable, the most comfortable, and the longest in duration, the long term, what was best. Staff is friendly. Dr. Hogan is very friendly and outgoing. It's comfortable. Every time I come into Dr. Hogan's office, the atmosphere is welcoming. I'm quickly put at ease. The atmosphere at Dr. Hogan's office is welcoming. Every time I come in here, I'm put at ease. They treat you as if you're a friend or a member of a family. I would highly recommend Dr. Hogan. Dr. Hogan has just done a superb job for me, and I'm sure that he would do the same for anyone else. I think Dr. Hogan is a cut above any other dentist that I've ever been to. His professionalism, the caring nature, his concern for me as a patient, and just the overall friendliness of his staff put the entire dentistry, way above any place else I've ever been. Say that sometimes people associate coming to the dentist with pain. That's not what I experience. The other thing is that it can be painful financially, and every person on the staff, including the billing persons and the administration people, worked with me, with my insurance company, in order for me to get the best results in all aspects of this experience. From the first time I met with Dr. Hogan, I felt at ease.